If you're starting your first year as a plumbing apprentice, this is for you. Nobody expects you to know everything, but there are a few things that will make or break you fast on a job site. Stay tuned. I'll let you know what they are right after this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Plumbing with Tim. Today, I want to talk directly to new plumbing apprentices and people thinking about getting into the trade. I have 19 plus years experience, and now I teach future plumbers, so I've seen what helps apprentices succeed and what gets them ignored really quick. The first thing you need to understand is this: being dependable matters more than being skilled at first. Nobody expects the new guy to know everything, but they do expect you to show up on time, stay off your phone, and actually want to work. You'd be surprised how many apprentices hurt themselves just by being unreliable. When you're new, your biggest job is paying attention. So be a sponge. Watch how experienced plumbers move. Watch how they organize tools. Watch how they troubleshoot problems. Watch how they even talk to the customers. A good apprentice learns even when nobody is directly teaching them. One thing that makes apprentices stand out fast is knowing the tools. I personally struggle with this. I grew up playing sports my whole life. I barely even knew what a screwdriver or a channel lock was. That's the honest truth. So know the names, know what they're used for. Know how to hand somebody the right tool without them asking twice. Better yet, learn what they need so you can hand the tool before they even ask. That sounds small, but it does matter a lot. This is a big one. Do not walk onto a job site acting like you already know plumbing because you watched a few videos or helped your buddy one weekend. The fastest way to get experienced plumbers to stop helping you is to act unteachable. Ask questions, stay humble, and learn. I'm going to be honest with you. Your first year, even your first few years, are going to be rough. You're going to carry material. You're going to be digging. You're going to be sweating. You're going to be sweeping. You're going to be cleaning. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to make a lot of them. But every good plumber started somewhere. Nobody comes into this trade knowing everything. If you stick with it, plumbing can completely change your life. This trade can help you support yourself, support your family, and skills that no one can ever take away from you and that people will always need. And the truth is, a lot of people quit before they ever get good. The apprentices that succeed are usually the ones who keep showing up. If you're a first-year plumbing apprentice, drop a comment below and let me know where you're at in your journey. And if you're thinking about getting into plumbing, hit subscribe and follow along because I've got a lot more content coming for apprentices and future plumbers. Also, if you're in my area, click the link in my bio for more information on how to enroll for my program. Classes start in August and they will fill up fast.